Welcome children to Geography with Juliana, and today we're going to start with some map work. Map work is an important skill for a student of geography, and in 10th standard we have two maps, map of India and map of Brazil. So I'll be dealing with map of India in this video, and in the next video I will take map of Brazil. So far I'll be taking some of the things that we have studied up till chapter 3. Okay, so let's get started with the map. The question is, locate the following in the outline map of India provided. And these are 7 things that we need to locate. The capital of India, that's New Delhi. Tropic of Cancer. Highest peak in India, K2, may be mentioned or may not be mentioned. Sundarbans, Indira Point, Kanyakumari, and 10-degree channel. In every map work, the first thing that we need is to prepare a proper index. Okay, since there are 7 things to be shown, we need to have 7 boxes, right? Okay, so we have 7 boxes. We need to write 7 numbers. Suppose if you do 5, 6 and 8, any 3, then you have to write 5, 6 and 8. You cannot write 1, 2 and 3. But since we are showing all, so we will take all 7, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, whatever sign and symbols we use there, we have to show here. The first is capital of India, and that's New Delhi. Capital is always shown with a dot followed by a tiny circle. Now, if you look at Haryana, you find a small ridge protruding into Haryana, and that is New Delhi. I don't know how will I be able to show, but I will try my best. Okay, so that's New Delhi. So here you'll have to write, you cannot write New Delhi here. Here you have to write whatever is in the question paper, and that is capital of India. Second is Tropic of Cancer. Now when we show Tropic of Cancer, remember, because of Earth being a sphere, we cannot show a straight line. So we always show it like when you cut an orange, okay, or a ball, you'll always find like a semicircle. And therefore our 23.5 degree starts like this, and you show it with dotted lines. Okay, I'm not taking it as a straight line. So basically, and I showed it with dotted lines, so my index will also show dotted lines. Okay, and here I will write Tropic of Cancer. Right, so this is the Tropic of Cancer. If you want, I'll just join it now for the time being. Okay, so it gives you a better picture. It's not straight line, it is a curve. Okay, the third is K2, the highest peak. Now what you see here, okay, that is in Jammu Kashmir on this side. Okay, here. So I'm taking it as a triangle. Actually, I want a triangle. Okay, so I'll a little tinier one. Children, you'll have to excuse me with the marker not being so appropriate. Okay, I'll try once again if I can get to the right place. Yes. Okay, you can make a little triangle there, and in the index, which has disappeared for me here, I will definitely show a triangle. Okay, and write highest peak in India. I will not write K2. K2 I will write in the bracket. Okay, because if they ask K2, fine, but if they say highest peak, then I have to show only as the highest peak. Next is Sundarbans. We know Sundarbans are in West Bengal, okay, or rather in Bay of Bengal, but here. So all along this place here, including Bangladesh. Okay, so whatever markings or color I take, the same color I will use for Sundarbans. Right, so I hope you got the right location. Okay, that's in here at this place, and Bangladesh as well. Okay, so at the border we will show our Sundarbans here. Normally we can show with little drops like, okay, this symbol can also, because it's triangular landmass. The next one is Indira Point. Okay, and we know that Indira Point is the southernmost tip of India. Okay, so where you see Nicobar Islands, the southernmost tip, this point here, you can mark that as Indira Point. Okay, and Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of the mainland India. So this point here, you'll have to use different colors. Okay, I'm using more or less the same color and same symbols, but you will have to use different colors. And the 10-degree channel is situated between Andaman and Nicobar Island, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and therefore our 10-degree channel comes here. Okay, one more that I would like to show you is Palk Strait, P-A-L-K, Palk Strait. Okay, now this is a strait. A strait is a narrow water body joining two larger water bodies. Okay, in this case you find this Palk Strait in between India and Sri Lanka. It's not really asked, but I'm just showing in case it comes. So with this we end the first map. Okay, and in the next video, okay, I will continue maybe. So we take the next one is locate Western Himalayas, Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, Coastal Plains, Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, now remember, you will be given a political map only. I don't know, yes, I have a political map here. Okay, so I'll try and show you. Don't forget to draw your key or your index. Okay, so that's the first thing that you need to do, and there are 8 things here, so you will have to have 8 columns with 8 signs and symbols. First is Western Himalayas. So Western Himalayas are here. Okay, and the same type of symbol should be here as well. Number 1, Western Himalayas. Second is Northern Plains. We know Northern Plains comprises of the entire part from here, okay, right up till Assam Plains here. Okay, and this part of course was Kumaon ranges, so that will not be shown. The rest all can be colored as light green or dark green or whatever color you want. Right, so that becomes our Northern Plains. For Peninsular Plateau, I will erase the remaining part so that it becomes easier for me to show the others. Peninsular Plateau, you can show like this. So this is our Peninsular Plateau. Next is the Coastal Plains. Right at the coast, you'll have to color it green. Okay, all along, right, this part of Gujarat also comes under Coastal Plains. Here it is narrower and it is a little broader in case of the Eastern Coastal Plain. The next are the Western Ghats. For that I'll have to erase this now. Okay, so Western Ghats run parallel to the Arabian Sea, and Eastern Ghats are broken ranges running parallel to the Bay of Bengal. Broken ranges you can show there. Okay, the next is Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. We have already seen, I'm sure you know that. Okay, in the previous map we did get that one. Just a minute. Okay, here. So this is our Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Right? The third map we'll try and take now. Locate River Ganga, Vindhya, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Marusthali, Satpura, Narmada, Tapi. I tried to take most of the thing. Godavari. There's a mistake here. Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, so the first one is River Ganga. So River Ganga originates in the Kumaon Himalayas, then it flows eastward, and then it branches and enters into West Bengal and then Bay of Bengal. The second, don't forget to prepare the index. Next are the Vindhya ranges. I will erase each one, children, because the map is really very, very small. Okay, so the Vindhya ranges are in Madhya Pradesh. So you can show them like this. Then you have the Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is located here. Use different colors kindly. Next is Marusthali. We have Aravalis here, and this entire portion becomes the Marusthali. Then we have Satpuras. Below Vindhyas are the Satpuras at the border of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Then we have river Narmada and Tapi. So once you show Vindhyas, okay, Vindhya ranges, sorry, I'll try again. Okay, so Vindhyas followed by river Narmada, then Satpuras followed by river Tapi. Okay, you'll have to take it slightly higher because ultimately Narmada and Tapi both empty their water in Gulf of Khambat in Gujarat. Next is Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Okay, so Godavari from Maharashtra and at the mouth the deltas. Then river Krishna, okay, and Kaveri are in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu only. Okay, so this is how we fill in our maps. Please use different colors, different signs, symbols. Rivers, you cannot use different symbols. You have to use blue lines. Okay, mountains, we normally use brown color. Plateaus, we normally use yellow color. And for plains, we use green color. So with this, we end with map of India. In the next video, I will take map of Brazil. Till then, kindly complete your maps. Keep studying. Bye-bye and take care.